I'm going to show you how to make money online while you sleep in today's tutorial. Yes, you heard that right. I'm about to show you how to earn $2,000 in PayPal money in this video. And all you need is an internet connection and a phone or a computer. And if you want to know more about what I'm talking about, stick around till the end of this guide. This method is completely free, secure, and legal. It can be used in every country on the planet. So if you want to make the most money today, pay attention to everything I'm going to say, because I'll give you some helpful hints and recommendations in the middle. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $100 worth of gift cards in PayPal to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 15,000 subscribers. To enter this exciting giveaway, I need you to follow the exact instructions and the unique code that are given in the middle of this video. So make sure you watch all the way to the end to know the exact approach. Now here are the winners for the previous $50 giveaways. Congratulations! You just won for viewing all of my videos and entering unique codes. You could be the next one to win if you follow all the steps to enter the giveaways. Now just before we dive into the tutorial, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Now let's jump right into the video so I can show you everything. If you don't already have a PayPal account, you should open one as soon as possible, because that's where you'll be able to receive online payments, as I indicated in the beginning. To do so, go to paypal.com and sign up for a free account by clicking Sign Up Now. Then you'll be taken to this screen where you must choose Personal Account. Simply fill in the relevant personal information, and you've successfully set up your own PayPal account, which you'll be able to receive payments through. Just take a look at all of the money I received as a result of this method. Keep an eye out because you could be the next person to earn as much money. With that said, I'd like you to visit our first website of the day. It's called Spyfu.com. And it looks like this. Now, in exchange for a little fee, this site assists others with their websites or Google advertisements in order to generate traffic. Spyfu now reveals your most successful competitor search marketing secret recipe. If you use Spyfu to look up any domain, you'll be able to see every location they've been on Google, every term they've used in Google Ads, and every ad variation they've run in the last 15 years. That is to say, this gadget spies on more successful competitors and allows people to copy their success, hence the nickname Spyfu. Now, this may appear to be a bit confusing and intimidating at this point, but please stick with me since first and foremost, we will not be paying for this tool, and finally, it's not nearly complicated as it appears. So once you've arrived at their homepage, I need you to scroll down to the bottom and click on Affiliates under the Useful Links category. Spyfu is now a terrific product to promote as an affiliate, and it's mostly due to the recurring commissions, which pays out a rate of 40% for the rest of your life. So if someone you refer to Spyfu pays for a year, you'll get 40% of what they paid on this website, which is a tremendous win. That being said, if you haven't already figured it out, applying as an affiliate on this platform pays off big cash. However, you won't have to worry about how to obtain traffic and get a lot of people to recommend others to this website, because I'll show you how later in the video. Anyway, if you continue scrolling down, you'll find additional information about their affiliate program. As you can see, they have 365-day monitoring cookie, which means you'll get paid if someone clicks on your affiliate link and sign-ups within 365 days. The next thing you'll notice is that you'll get paid twice a month. And because the majority of you want to be paid by PayPal, it's crucial that you have the option of receiving payment via PayPal or wire transfer. As you can see, this platform allows you to earn money in completely passive manner. Additionally, you can read here that Spyfu clients seldom quit with a turnover rate of less than 4%. Therefore, your recurring commissions still have genuine value. This tells us how much potential this service has, because most of the people you refer here will continue to use it, and this might be one of the website's best aspects. Now, if you want to start making money as an affiliate on Spyfu, scroll up and click the Start Earning Every Month link to acquire your own affiliate link. I said I'd show you where you can acquire traffic only a few minutes ago, right? So I'm going to tell you how to get a lot of people to visit this website using your own affiliate link so that you can make money. But first, have a look at what Spyfu has to offer in terms of pricing. As you can see, there are 3 distinct options available on this site: basic, professional, and team plans. Annual and monthly payment choices are available for all 3, with the annual option being significantly cheaper. However, I'd like to point out that the professional pricing plan is the most popular, as it's neither too pricey nor too inexpensive. Consider the following scenario. If you bring 10 individuals here and they all choose the annual professional pricing or professional plan, Spyfu will cost you roughly $7,900. And because you get 40% of that revenue, you will make $3,200 for just 10 people. So now you realize how much potential money you may make with this website. Isn't that fantastic? Now, just before we go any further, if you've enjoyed the video so far, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to enter to win $50, make sure to watch until the end of the video to find out the code word to enter and win. But for now, it's time to get back to work and continue making money. Now that you have an idea that you need tons of people to buy a subscription plan for you to earn money, let's move on to the challenging part. And that is by gathering and convincing traffic. To begin, go to google.com and type weight loss into the search box. Then you'll need to look for articles about weight loss that will offer your screens with advertisements. We're doing this because we'll turn those ad providers or advertisers into customers. Keep in mind that you'll need to look for articles on the 2nd or 3rd page of Google's results. The reason for this is that the advertisers on the 2nd and 3rd pages aren't as well known, so their advertising isn't as well supported. That is why we will be recommending spyfu.com to those companies. Because they are advertising firms, they are likely to have huge budgets, which means you can market Spyfu's membership plans and receive 40% of all the successful subscriptions plans. As an example, consider this advertiser. After you've found the advertiser, you want to get in touch with them using the information you've discovered. You can contact them via email or by trying to call them if you have their number or their contact information. When you speak with them, make sure to point out the features of Spyfu and explain why they should subscribe to the platform. Give them a look at Spyfu's price plans and suggest what you believe would be best for them. However, that wasn't only the method I have for you today though. You can visit infinitesuggest.com if you wish to take a different strategy to generate traffic. These two will be quite beneficial to you because it will provide you with keyword recommendations. If you enter in weight loss, for example, it will display all of these results, and each time I enter one of them, different adverts appear, allowing you to promote Spyfu subscription plans once more to those advertisers. You won't be able to run out of possible clients in this manner, and you'll be able to easily find many more. Simply repeat the process over and over again to earn thousands of dollars passively. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now onto the giveaway. If you want to be entered to win one of 10 $100 gift cards, all you need to do is subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment the code word Quick PayPal Money. Once again, enter the code word Quick PayPal Money, and you'll be entered to win once we hit 15,000 subscribers. It's that easy. And if you would like more chances to win, there are more code words in other videos on our channel. So be sure to watch some of our other recent uploads if you want a better chance of winning. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.